Welcome to the world of Ecoline, where creativity comes to life. With our line of exceptional liquid watercolors, you have everything you need to make the most vibrant illustrations. Express yourself in the most colorful way with our iconic ink bottles. And create beautifully fluid and vivid lines using our handy Ecoline brush pens with their flexible tips. And now we're introducing our brand new Duotip pen. This double-ended pen has a pointed tip for precise, fine lines and details on one side, and a broad tip for wide lines and larger colored areas on the other. The Duotip pen is available in 32 stunning colors. With this addition to our Ecoline collection, we can now offer you a complete range of tools to help you create the perfect illustration.